Now that we've completed the installation, can I ask you a couple of questions?
Yes, certainly.
So why did you decide to go solar?
Well, I've been concerned about pricing for some time, and also the fact that we're eating up resources of the planet. Solar seems to me the obvious answer. It's clean, provides me with consistent energy, and I control my prices.
You received multiple quotes. Why did you choose us at Starts Electrical?
Well, there was a couple of things that were really important to me. I wanted a local supplier, somebody I could rely on to be there if I did have a problem, although I'm not anticipating any. I wanted somebody who was experienced, been in the business for a while, not somebody who just entered the market locally. And I also wanted somebody who could show me they had contented customers who were happy with what they delivered in the past.
Yeah.
And it was price competitive, so it met all my criteria really.
So we sent you a detailed proposal. How much roughly do you think you'll be saving a year?
Well, I'm hoping to be saving a little over £1,100 a year, which will cut my bill down by about 90%.
And how has your full experience been through the whole process?
It's been painless, to be honest. I was expecting it to take ages and be messy, and in fact it took a little over a day. The guys cleaned up after them. I wouldn't even know they'd been here, apart from the fact that I've got nice new shiny equipment on the wall.
Answered all the questions and been a great client.